Hello YouTube, Matthew here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys all about network data. So that means we'll be going over network connection data and network usage data as well. So strap into your seats and get ready for another forensics video. Roll the intro. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to the video. And in today's video we're going to go over the folders in the private var directory called network D and their subfolders, as well as wireless and the subfolders of that. So when we take a look at network D right now, the DB folder is going to contain network netusage.sqlite, and the library will contain a preferences folder containing two playlists. At least this is the way it stores it for me. Yours may be different, but the same concept will apply for all devices. Now when we look into this database right here and go to the data view, in mine, zflowpref, z live router flowpref is going to be the first database that we're able to, or the first table in the database that we're able to see that has something in it, that has all these columns right here. So you'll be able to correlate these with other ones, but it has the column bytes in, bytes out, and other stuff about network flow that might be useful to you. So you could take a look at these numbers right here just in case they're helpful to you. But I'm not sure how they will be helpful to you. You have to define helpfulness based on... You'll define helpfulness based on whatever case you're working on. But now once we look into live usage, we're going to see that we have a bunch of fields right here, and some important ones may include timestamp, maybe the Wi-Fi in data and the Wi-Fi out data, maybe even wired in, wired out, and all the stuff related to that. Yeah, but I think timestamp will be very useful, because it can show you when any activity happened, and that will be correlated to whatever file was downloaded or whatever stuff was accessed. Now Z network attachment is what shows right here all of the routers that you were connected to. So in this case, I have 3 different routers. So one is an actual Wi-Fi router that I was connected to, and the second 2 were 2 phone Wi-Fi hotspots that I was connected to. So this will also show you the timestamp that it was collected. Yeah, right here, timestamp. See these? These are timestamps, and the overall stay mean, which is the average time spent on, and the overall stay var, which is the overall stay that the device was on the network. And this is, I believe, in seconds. And there's other stuff that are zeros and ones right here. We could take a look at those later on, but let's move on. Activity fragment has nothing. And actually, I think the rest also has nothing. So let's move on to wrong one. Let's move on to the library now. symptoms D is going to show us launch timestamps of whatever things. Endpoint tracking 501. At least on my device, this is how it looks. It may look similar for you on the device you have or on the image that you're using if it's from my device. And with symptoms, the next one, it'll show you these that are related to mobile Safari. And internet usage. And CPU usage. And notifying. And notifying again. And you'll see all these numbers right here. You can do with them whatever you need to, and on your device or on the device that you're looking at as well. Now let's go over to the wireless directory. AWDD has a persistent database, which is related to persistent stuff on the phone, persistent processes that's based on networking, and even controllers for Safari data stuff. Macatio, this one. Nope. I keep opening the wrong folder. Okay, baseband. This baseband shows the baseband for the network, and in the library folder, we have databases related to network caches, which are empty on mine. More databases for LASD. Can't be found. So LASD is probably for cellular networks, and the phone that I was using for this image did not have a cellular network attached, so maybe it didn't create it because of that. Now you'll have probably logs about whatever network related stuff is here, and then preferences related to network. We can look at these, but I want to look at the databases first. So cellular usage.db will have nothing on it for the moment. For me, it should have nothing useful but bundle UUID. Yeah, actually this has all of the bundles that are able to use data on it. So I was wrong. I'm surprised. And also data usage, the event should show events. Event seen has nothing for me. These have nothing for me. Still has nothing for me. Z here. Z process. Now a process that uses data will be defined here. So anything from mobile mail to maybe the Apple Translate app, Apple Safari, Apple's Find My Devices, and all the other ones are defined here, along with the process name in the form of a UUID, followed by the name of the app in bundle format, this com.apple.mobile whatever, or wherever it is in the format. And it also has timestamps for the first timestamp and other timestamps to come after. other stuff that it doesn't have. And now I'll look at some of the logs to finish off the video. Okay, no. Some of the playlists to finish off the video. So maybe we'll start from the bottom. So IP telephony. So this shows IMS logging in if that is enabled, and in this case, this is enabled. So comm center.playlist will show us communication data like SMS data transfer, the last known OS version, and in this case I'm running on 16.7.10, which is the newest version of iOS 16. And it has other stuff on it, as well as phone services, just the version. And obviously, if you made it this far in the video, you can take a more in-depth look at all of these, but for now I'll just do one more because I'm droning on a little bit too long. But if you have the attention span to watch me drone on along and go through files, then you're the type of person that I want to be doing forensics with. Because forensics is like an art, it takes time and you can't rush it, because you may miss a lot of stuff. And so I believe this is the one to show all of the networks that it could be a part of. Okay, how about Command F? Carrier bundle. Okay, these are carriers. So T-Mobile Germany, Tigo, T-Mobile MK, Sprint Virgin ISM LTE LM US bundle. Huh. That's pretty cool. The network. Ooh, Vodafone Australia. Either way, you get the point of it. I was trying to find Metro by T-Mobile. But I think this is taking a bit long, so I could always do that on my own time. So with that being said, I'm going to end it off now, and I hope you enjoyed me going through all of these files and folders. And I hope you learned something about how the iPhone stores its files about networks and cellular data on iOS 17. And with that being said, thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and keep on watching my forensics videos. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Matt out.